If you're staring at the STLport 5.0 DLL not found pop-up, don't panic. I'm Windows Support Engineer Sophie Chen, and I'll show you the professional recovery steps. To start the walkthrough for STLport 5.0, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the STLport 5.0, a specialized implementation of the C++ Standard Template Library, STL, version 5.0. It provides localized routines for data structures and algorithms for software developed in the late 2000s. Its absence triggers entry point not found errors in legacy CAD and engineering software. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The STLport 5.0 DLL library is a critical dependency of the STLport C Standard Library, version 5.0 framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the STLport 5.0 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Using an incorrect or unverified version of STLport 5.0 DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for STLport 5.0. If this diagnostic helped you resolve STLport 5.0 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.